If you look at larger capital equipment, being able to have a project as kind of the cohesive place to manage it and be able to keep track of configurations in CAD and the information management that you're doing there, planning your resources, scheduling, doing everything from bidding, quoting, tendering, and then have that all be in a project so you can keep track of all of your costs, your timelines, all of your progress. And then some things that are unique to IFS is, we have that engineer along the bottom, engineering and procurement, but then you'll look at, we have full rental capabilities, renting to a project when you're trying to maintain cost, if you're renting in cranes or something like that, or renting them out as part of a specialized installation. And you need to rent that to the customer. And then offsite and modular is more and more popular, that, you're building it as much as you can in a plant in modular fashion, and then you're assembling it in the field. It goes right hand in hand with that whole installation and maintenance. And everything on this screen is in one integrated system that's the same. There's no bolt-ons. Everything is in the IFS solution.